it's Sandra and welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about some of my favorite outfits from the last week. Now, I have not done a outfit video in quite a while. I think the last time I did a what I wore this week video was in like spring, summer. I was well overdue to make another one and I hope you like it. I changed the format a little bit in order to hopefully give you a better overall look at the whole outfit. A lot of the clothing items that I'm going to show you are actually quite old. I am not the type of person that just goes crazy and buys a whole new wardrobe every season. I like to pick up a couple of things here and there. So I'm doing this with a purpose, not to get you to buy more stuff, but more so doing this to inspire you to style some of the items that you might already have lying around in your closet. And if you do see an item that you really like, I will link to similar options in the description box below. And one philosophy that has really helped me this year when trying to be more mindful about my fashion purchases is I always ask myself, when I'm about to buy a clothing item, I always ask myself, will I be able to wear this at least 5 times? Like, can I style it 5 different ways in my head? And if the answer to that question is yes, then I deem the item worth purchasing. So just thought I would share something that has really worked for me. And yeah, let's get on to the outfits. Monday's outfit is actually one of my favorite work outfits that I have had in quite a while, and surprise, most of it is from Aritzia. I really love the Babaton brand from Aritzia for workwear. Their stuff holds up really well, both the turtleneck and the skirt in this outfit. I think I've had them for 3 years and I really love them. The turtleneck is the Babaton Seton t-shirt. I think that's how they call it on their website. And this is a style that they bring back every single year. And if you do want a really comfortable, soft turtleneck that is excellent for layering with more high-waisted pieces, this is it. It's super comfortable. It washes well. I like the fact that it has a slightly boxier fit in the body and it is cropped. So I love wearing it with high-waisted pieces. And then over top, I'm wearing this oversized wool coat. It's quite thin. It's like in between a long blazer and a coat. If I have anywhere to head out after work and I want to dress things up a little bit, I can add a waist belt. This is a BCBG belt. I love how easy this whole outfit is to dress up by just adding a belt. Brings a bit more of a feminine silhouette into play, and I just really love it. And just paired with some plain black ankle boots, and I'm good to go. Outfit also features the same turtleneck from Monday. This time I wanted to show you how I would style it with some trousers. I bought the trousers in September from Winners, and I did find quite a few similar dupes that I'm going to be linking in the description box below. But I'm just wearing it with the same Aritzia turtleneck and covering my shoulders a little bit with this item. This is one of the few new pieces that I have added to my wardrobe for this fall and winter, and this is also from Aritzia. It's by Babaton. It's made of merino wool, so it's super soft. It has a thin belt that you can remove. So I love the fact that I can wear it with the belt that it comes with. I can take the belt off. I can switch the belt if I want something a little bit more jazzy. This is one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe right now. Because I wanted to show you how I transition one item from one look to the next. And on Wednesdays we wear pink. So I'm wearing the same trousers that I did on Tuesday, my trousers from Winners, and I am wearing them a little bit more sporty. So I just cuff the ankles a little bit to make the trousers look a bit shorter, and I'm wearing them with some plain white sneakers. These sneakers are from YSL. I really like them. For the top of the outfit, I'm wearing this pink sweater from Rag & Bone. I bought this last year. I always wear an undershirt with this as well, and I just love how warm and cozy it is. Now, unfortunately, this exact sweater is no longer available, but if you are looking to inject a little bubblegum pink into your wardrobe, I did find a very similar one from H&M, and I think it's on sale. So I'll be linking that below. This next outfit is probably my favorite, and I'm not just saying that because it's all black, but I'm wearing this very, very thin fitted black turtleneck from Zara. This is an excellent layering piece. I love wearing this underneath dresses as well. If you want to get more mileage out of your summer and spring dresses, I highly recommend just adding a very fitted black turtleneck underneath the dresses. It was about 20 bucks from Zara. It's part of their basics line, so they have it in stock all the time. In this look, I'm just wearing it tucked into a high-waisted black midi skirt. I added the same BCBG belt as I had before, just to kind of break up the all black a little bit. And I'm wearing these suede knee-high boots from Prada. These were an awesome consignment store find from last year, and I absolutely love these boots so much. And the next outfit is a little bit of a twist on the previous outfit. It's got the same base, so it's the Zara turtleneck, the high-waisted skirt, but instead of the boots and the BCBG belt, I switched it up a little bit and I added my long cardigan over top. This is the same Aritzia cardigan that I showed from earlier in the week. I just switched up the belt, which is another BCBG belt, added a little pop of color with the yellow shoes. These shoes are from 9 West. They're just so incredibly comfortable. This is one of the few pumps that I can wear all day long. I can wear them to work. I can keep wearing them even if I'm heading out after work, and they never really hurt my feet. Let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comment section below. Let me know if you want me to do another one of these, if you want me to do these more often. I'm all ears, so if you want me to do them, I certainly will try to do more. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and hope you're having a great weekend. Bye.